Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this particular video what I'm going to be doing is showing you a simple tool in Adobe Photoshop CS 5.1, and it's a popular tool, and it's a tool to show you how to remove blemishes, spots, marks on the face. Let's say you've had a photograph taken, it's a professional shoot, and you've noticed some blemishes, spots which you would like to remove before you print them. What I'm going to do is show you how to get those removed quickly and easily. So here's a picture here I've got open already of a person, and you can see some age spots here, the few blemishes and marks around the face which we're going to remove. So this is Adobe Photoshop CS 5.1. On the left side here are all the tools you need, and what we simply do is go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh tool down here, right click on your mouse and you can see lots of different tools open up. The one you need here is the spot healing brush tool. So this is the tool you need to remove any marks, imperfections on your face or imperfections anywhere on the skin of the body. So you click on that, left mouse button, click on that. You can also, if you look at the cursor now, the cursor's changed to a brush or a circle. You can change the size of that circle at the top here. At the moment it's on 19. Click on the arrow on the right of it and you've got a scroll bar here, and you move the cursor to the left to make it smaller, move it to the right to make it bigger. We want to make it smaller because we want to add a bit of detail to our picture. Click on enter a few times, and there it's reset the size of that brush there. Now what we're going to do is zoom into the picture. So on your keyboard, keep your finger on control and click on the add button. It will zoom in. Control and minus will zoom out. Okay, so we're going to zoom in here. Like obviously the picture goes blurry as soon as you zoom in, and all we need to do here is just click on the imperfections on the skin. So notice you click on the imperfections. It would take some time if you've got a lot of imperfections to remove, but here in this instant you can see, I zoom out now, that imperfection has gone. Okay, keep going until you're happy with the final result. Okay, so here, quick and easy way to show you how to remove an imperfection. So here at the top, these red marks, I want to click on it to remove it, and around here, remove that as well. So you've got some red marks here, let's remove those. So you go down here and let's remove those. Basically the way it works, it detects the colour of the skin around the brush, and it ensures it fills the colour that you've selected within the brush. Okay, so that's how the spot healing brush works. Be careful not to drag the mouse like this. If you do that, you'll notice from time to time you will see some smudged imperfections around. I know it's a quick and easy way. Sometimes you find yourself not having the time or the patience to click on individual pixels on the screen or the picture, and you'll find yourself doing this from time to time. But the thing is, if you keep doing that, as you can see here, you will notice smudges on the face, and you don't really want that. You want a nice detailed finish, hence the clicking of where the imperfections are. So there you have it there. So that's what we've ended up with very quickly. Just a nice and easy way really to show you how to remove blemishes, imperfections, spots on your face or a picture before you print it, before you're happy with the final result. Hope this video has been helpful. Please like, subscribe and share.